Sure.
Imagine a machining partner that delivers everything from CNC machines to drives, motors, spindles, and encoders, and even its own advanced CNC control, the OSP P500. That's Okuma, your single-source solution for precision, efficiency, and innovation. At EMO, we are not just showing machines. We are unveiling the future of machining technology, with machine premiers designed to boost your productivity and maximize efficiency like never before. On 1,000 square meters, you will experience a variety of cutting-edge machines and automations that show the world of milling, turning, multitasking, 5-axis machining, and actual trends like steel friction welding. We address our customers' challenges and create solutions driven by efficiency. The unmatched Okuma quality ensures rigidity, precision, and sustainability. Whether you are tackling complex parts or demanding high-volume ones, our modular system and automation-friendly design help you cut costs, speed up production, and stay ahead of the competition. Visit us at booth D28 in hall number 14, see the machines in action, talk to our experts, and discover how Okuma can transform your manufacturing process. Thank you very much.
Awesome.